Incremental routines, because incremental routing relies on keyboard shortcuts and rapid decision making. Keyboard shortcuts you have seen on the screen most of the time, no big deal. It's just one example that is easy to relate. And rapid decision making, which is very hard to convey because there are no genuine sessions on the course. It's how to do this, how to do that, when it's useful, when it's not, but we don't have genuine examples. That will be on Supermemo in action outside of this course. So all of those little decisions, why he decided this at this time and so on. This is the complicated stuff that with a video which can quite lost. For instance, this happens with Piotr Wozniak videos that they do react to explicitly say all what he's doing, more or less. Still not genuine flow. So what's the risk? Developing bad habits, you're just not aware that this is a bad habit, and you will do it, and you will wish hundreds of hours later. Because every time you do this bad habit, it's going against you. So the more days you have this, the more time you will iterate this mistake, this bad habit. Some people even had to use Supermemo for longer than I did in natural time, but they stayed to the basics. And then just to mention one example, one person was always filtering subsets, only the outstanding, and then start a subset review. But hey, did you know that Ctrl-L does this already? Is a difference with the shift or the button. If you use the browser, the button will default to this, review all, instead of learn. But if you do Ctrl-L, you bypass the step of filter by outstanding, because learn will ignore the ones that are not outstanding. That means that he has been doing this several times a day, multiple steps that were redundant. Imagine that. Then, even though it goes more complex than that, it's not that, this layer is not required and so on. It's more complex than this. But so you get the point, more or less. That's all for now. See you incrementally.